Welcome to this unboxing of our 32 universe show controller, the S-Play. The S-Play enables you to create, record, edit and play back light shows. Its broad range of protocols including RS-232, UDP, HTTP and OSC allow integration with a huge number of control systems using its input triggers and output events. You can schedule shows thanks to its real-time clock or produce web interfaces for an easy method for your customers to interact with. The box is divided up into two sections. On the left, we've got accessories, and on the right, the S-Play. Here you can see we've included a multi-language quick start guide referencing the user manual and web page where you can get the latest firmware version. Onto the accessories. Here we've got the mounting kit with bidirectional brackets for full and half width mounting, a surface mount, and TS35 DIN rail brackets along with the relevant screws. We've got a 12V DC power supply and universal plug adapters to use if you don't want to rely on the integrated PoE option. And finally, we've got a 2m Cat5e cable to connect the S-Play to your network infrastructure. So let's have a look at the S-Play in more detail. When we open it up, we can see that from left to right we've got a USB port for updating firmware and taking or restoring backups, an SD card slot allowing for a huge 64GB of storage, and the LCD screen and control buttons for configuring the device and viewing playback status without needing to access the web interface. On the back, we've got RS-232 in the form of a DB9 connector, 2 DMX ports that can be used for recording or playback, 2 relays to wire up to contactors or other external devices, and 4 dry digital inputs. The Ethernet port can be used to interface with other control systems and play back up to 32 universes of either streaming ACN or ArtNet. It also accepts PoE. Finally, we have the DC jack and cable retention lug. To get this powered on, we're going to get our DC power supply from the accessory box and attach the plug suited to our country. Next, put the jack into the rear of the S-Play and use a zip ties to secure the cable in place so it can't get pulled out. After this, we can attach the mounting accessories. We know it's rare that multiple installations are the same, and this is why everything is included in the box. Configure your S-Play to fit in a 19-inch rack, 9.5-inch half-width rack, surface mount, or a TS35 DIN rail. To find out more about the S-Play and how it can be used on your project, visit enttec.com.